How to make $100 per day with AI. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a game changer, transforming industries and creating new avenues for income generation. As AI becomes increasingly accessible, individuals with the right knowledge and strategies can harness its power to earn a steady income. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the world of AI-powered opportunities and provide a detailed roadmap on how to make $100 per day by leveraging the potential of artificial intelligence. Starting an AI consulting business. Launching an AI consulting business involves leveraging your deep expertise in artificial intelligence to provide tailored solutions for businesses seeking to harness its potential. As an AI consultant, your role extends beyond technical implementation. It encompasses understanding client-specific needs, assessing their existing infrastructure, and devising strategic AI integration plans. Collaborating closely with clients, you'll identify areas where AI can optimize processes, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. Your comprehensive knowledge allows you to recommend appropriate algorithms, models, and platforms, ensuring the seamless integration of AI into their operations. From predictive analytics to machine learning algorithms, you'll guide clients through the complexities of AI adoption, offering training, monitoring, and iterative improvement to ensure sustained success. Creating AI-driven chatbots. AI-driven chatbots have revolutionized customer engagement, offering efficient and personalized interactions across various platforms. Developing these chatbots requires a blend of technical prowess and creativity. As you embark on this path, you'll design chatbots that understand natural language, anticipate user queries, and provide accurate responses. Your creations will seamlessly integrate into websites, social media, and messaging apps, acting as virtual customer service representatives that operate around the clock. Tailoring chatbots to specific industries and needs, you'll ensure they address customer inquiries, offer recommendations, and even facilitate transactions. Online courses and consulting. Sharing your AI expertise through online courses and consulting services presents an avenue for monetization, while empowering others to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. As an educator, you'll design comprehensive courses that cover AI fundamentals, applications, and practical implementation. Your materials, including video lectures, quizzes, and assignments, will cater to a range of learners, from beginners to professionals seeking to upskill. Through consulting services, you'll extend personalized guidance, helping individuals and businesses understand how AI can solve their unique challenges. Social media and influencer marketing with AI. The fusion of social media and AI offers a potent pathway to generate income while harnessing your online influence. As you embark on this journey, you'll employ AI tools to analyze trends, track engagement metrics, and optimize content strategies. These tools will guide your decisions, from choosing the best posting times to crafting content that resonates with your audience. As an AI-savvy influencer, you'll collaborate with brands seeking to tap into your niche expertise and engaged following. Your recommendations will reflect a seamless blend of AI-driven insights and genuine endorsement. Through sponsored posts, product reviews, and affiliate partnerships, you'll monetize your influence while establishing credibility as an AI-focused thought leader. AI-powered dropshipping and e-commerce. The marriage of AI and dropshipping or e-commerce unlocks new dimensions of efficiency, personalization, and revenue generation. Your journey begins with selecting a niche, sourcing products, and setting up an online store. With AI, you'll optimize inventory management, predicting demand patterns and ensuring items are in stock when customers need them. Personalization becomes a cornerstone of your strategy, as AI algorithms analyze consumer behavior to recommend products that align with individual preferences. Automation takes center stage, with AI handling tasks like order processing, customer support, and even retargeting campaigns. Trading and investment with AI. For those intrigued by finance and the intricacies of trading, AI-equipped algorithms offer a transformative advantage. Your journey involves exploring AI-driven trading bots that analyze market data, execute trades, and adapt strategies based on real-time insights. These bots, fueled by machine learning, continuously learn from historical data and market trends, enabling them to make informed decisions. As an AI-driven trader, you'll devise algorithms that navigate stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex markets, capitalizing on opportunities while minimizing risks. By backtesting strategies and fine-tuning parameters, you'll refine your algorithms for optimal performance. Content generation with AI. In the era of digital content, AI-powered generators offer a pathway to monetize your writing skills while leveraging AI's language promise. Your journey begins by familiarizing yourself with platforms like GPT-3, capable of producing high-quality articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. As a content creator, you'll collaborate with clients seeking engaging and relevant content for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials. Your role extends beyond being a typist. You'll curate AI-generated content, ensuring it aligns with clients' tone, style, and messaging. With AI's efficiency, you can handle multiple projects simultaneously, optimizing your time and income potential. Building AI-powered apps and software. Entrepreneurs with technical acumen can harness AI's capabilities to develop innovative applications and software. Your journey involves identifying a problem or needs that AI can address, whether it's language translation, image recognition, or virtual assistants. Drawing from your programming skills, you'll design user-friendly interfaces that integrate seamlessly with AI algorithms. These algorithms power your app's core functionalities, enhancing user experiences and providing tangible value. Monetization strategies may involve offering free versions with premium features, subscription models, or even licensing agreements for businesses seeking to integrate your AI solutions. Freelancing with AI skills. If you possess expertise in AI development, data analysis, or programming, freelancing platforms provide a dynamic avenue for income generation. As a freelancer, you'll offer services that leverage your AI skills to address clients' challenges. From building machine learning models to developing AI-driven applications, your work directly impacts their objectives. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr serve as marketplaces where you can showcase your skills, bid on projects, and collaborate with clients from around the world. By delivering quality work within deadlines, you'll build a reputation as an AI specialist, attracting repeat business and positive reviews. The combination of technical expertise and freelancing platforms empowers you to earn $100 per day while contributing to a diverse range of projects that harness the power of AI. Understanding the AI landscape. At the core of generating $100 per day with AI lies a fundamental understanding of the AI landscape. This knowledge lays the foundation for your journey, guiding you to identify the AI domains that align with your skills, interests, and opportunities. Delve into the nuances of machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other AI subfields. Acquire proficiency in programming languages such as Python and tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch that underpin AI development. Stay abreast of industry trends, breakthroughs, and emerging technologies to position yourself as a knowledgeable practitioner. By mastering the intricacies of AI, you'll not only drive your income-generating ventures but also contribute to the broader discourse on the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in shaping our future. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.